This was a meeting just to interact with political parties as far as summary revision of roles, which is ongoing for this month of November. So we updated the political parties with our special campaign dates, how our summary revision would take place, and sought their cooperation for smooth conduct of this revision of rules. It went well. We have intimated all political parties present and briefed them on all types of forms wherein the electors have to fill to get their names added, shifted, changed, deleted. Effort is gone on to clear up the role, clean the role properly, and we are totally focused on the job at the moment.
मीटिंग आसली विथ रिगार्ड्स टू जे समरी रिविजन स्टार्ट जाला नोव्हेंबर 1st to November 30th inclusion and deletion of names, and this is the important thing कारण probably this is the last time before polls are held the major revision is held, and after that one supplementary will come, that is later on, but then the major addition deletion of the voter rolls has started from November 1st. So the South Goa collectoran meeting call केल्ली की जे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आसा हांच्यांनी आपले कॅन्डिडेट प्रॉस्पेक्टिव्ह कॅन्डिडेटांक सांगचे विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द वोटर रोल्स आनी अपॉयंटमेंट ऑफ BLAs. पॉलिटिकल पार्टीसांक इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिला की BLAs अपॉयंट करचे बूथ वायज आनी फॉर्म दिला, आनी ऑल्सो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हॅज टू ऑथरायज one of the office bearer to appoint BLAs. So the party president will have to sign one form and we will have to submit it to the South collector. So revision starts zala. So they have told us, requested us to keep a check, and I think South Goa collectorate and the entire team is doing a good job. And आमचे ऑफिसान our office is fully cooperating, and our Margam office at Goenkargarh have started inclusion of names of new roles, new voters, आणि आम्ही थंय एक ड्रायव्ह घेतला की we have started enrolling youngsters as a new voter, and we are doing it online. We have done it paperless so that makes it easy for the South Goa collectorate also to process.
So, how long this will continue?
See, this will continue till 30th of November, post which we will have a meeting. From yesterday we have started getting emails every day of inclusion and deletion. Every day we are getting emails from the Mamledas, respective Mamledas of the respective areas ki aaj ye delete zale and add zale. So a cumulative meeting will be held post 30th, and this role will go for printing, and January in to publish zatlo my first week.
There are allegations that many bogus voters' names have been added in this election rolls. So,
See, bogus names, everything is going to get deleted. Also, they have said that those people who have expired due to COVID, their drive is they will take out a drive to delete those names also. कारण miss out जाऊंक जायना म्हणून. आणि 80+ voterank they will form a team where they can vote from at the house. घरा 80+ एज जी आसा तांच्यांनी this is the main thing which they did not come to the booth to vote. तांकां एक टीम आसतली इलेक्शन कमिशन which will go to the house with a ballot, postal ballot, and they can vote from house 80 senior citizens, 80+ जे आसा तांकां. So this is also I think good initiative, and each booth they have come limited it to 1000 voters. 1000 वयर एक बूथ ना, पयलीं 1200-1300 आसताले. बिकॉज ऑफ पेंडेमिक कोविड they have reduced it, and they have for example in Fatorda one extra booth is created.
After rationalization process, now the next step was adding voters, deletion and correction in the row. So after the rationalization process, the voters have reduced from 1500 to within 1000. In some booths there are around 600 to 800 voters. So in that the forms were given to us and explained to us how do we add, delete and do correction if required. And also in past COVID there were many people who have passed away, so we need to clean the roll also. Cleaning does not sound good, but we have to remove those names, so that was one of the agenda. Also they have come up with for the PWD, person with disabilities, they can vote by ballot. person above 80 also can vote by ballot, and also who will be COVID positive, they will also be given a chance to vote through ballot if they don't want to come to the booth. So all these things were discussed and instructed.
Okay. Any next meeting scheduled after this?
No, not at. They inform us regularly of what is added and deleted. They send us email fortnightly. It's a good thing. Congratulate Sanjit Rodriguez and team for doing good work. And today there's a process of mock poll which is going on in every. We had randomly chosen around 20 machines by each parties, and in the 20 machines 1200 mock polls is going on right now. So it's a 8 hours process, so it's going on.
Where is it now?
It's down in room number 17.
Okay.
It's going on. Thank you.
Okay. Last.